Good afternoon and welcome to week number 5. And this is the beverage week, so no organizational charts this week. We've talked about rooms, we've talked about food and beverage. So now we're going to get into beverage. And I have this recap here on the screen for you that does kind of have a nice summary of all of the different types of beverage, from wine to beer, all the way to the white liquors that you'll see on the screen. And a couple of reminders about costs and kind of bar and beverage operations. As you'll remember from some of our metrics, we want to make sure that we understand how to calculate cost. And you'll see on the screen some of the industry standards, liquor cost being the best, or 12%. Beer cost being 25%, wine cost being the most costly at 38%. So thinking about what the profits will yield, depending on what kind of bar service you have and what kind of drink menus you have. When investigating opportunities with your different costs, you could look at training. If the bartenders are not making drinks correctly and there's a lot of pours, if you will. They could be drag pouring as well. They could be giving it out to their friends. They could be taking bottles of alcohol or theft. So there's lots of different things that need to be investigated if your liquor, beer, or wine cost is higher or lower. You can also prevent these by doing some secret shops, for sure by having clear policies and procedures and ways to audit. And also you need to keep in mind some of the risks when it comes to a bar and beverage operation, about, over serving people and where they're going afterwards and how they're getting there. So those are some of the reminders of the bar and beverage business. But the real opportunity to understand the different kinds of beverages that we have, how they're made, where they come from, and foods that they paired with, it's going to be taught by you. So I'm looking forward to reading your beverage assignments. I'll post them in a companion assignment, which would be the discussion guide, so that you can ask and answer questions and view the content that your colleagues have submitted. So that'll be coming in the days to come. So I look forward to looking at your beverage assignments and having you learn along with me. Thank you so much and have a great week.